Free, free.
Free,
Free.
person.
Yay! Well done! I'll have some popcorn. Sharing's caring, isn't it? Oh my God, thank you. Nom, nom, nom. Why are you here today?
Because I want to help Palestinian people not be dead.
You don't want them to be dead? Wow, that's an amazing message. Do you have a message for the kids in Palestine?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
That I hope that it will be better tomorrow.
Tomorrow? You want them to be better tomorrow?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you have a message for the kids in Palestine?
They don't deserve to be bombed.
They don't deserve to be bombed. I would agree with you there.
Ceasefire now.
Oh, my love. Why are you here today? You're here for Palestine?
Yeah.
I'm so proud of you, my love. Well done. Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah.
You're proud? My love. Well done. If you